Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon in the microwave. First, grab a microwave-safe plate and line it with 2 sheets of paper towel. This helps absorb excess grease. Next, lay your bacon slices in a single layer on the paper towels, making sure they don't overlap. Finally, place 1 more sheet of paper towel on top of the bacon. This top layer is crucial for containing splatters and soaking up even more fat, ensuring a cleaner cooking process. Now let's talk about cooking times. For 1 to 4 slices of bacon, a good rule of thumb is to microwave for approximately 1 minute per slice. If you're cooking a larger batch, say 5 to 8 slices, you'll typically need 4 to 6 minutes. Remember, every microwave is different, so these are starting points. You might need to adjust based on your appliance's power and how crispy you like your bacon. Once the initial cooking time is up, carefully check your bacon. It should look mostly cooked, but perhaps not fully crispy yet. If it needs more time to reach your preferred level of crispness, continue microwaving in short 30-second intervals. Be mindful that bacon continues to crisp up a bit more as it cools down after you remove it from the microwave. This prevents overcooking and ensures a perfect texture. To finish, carefully take the hot plate out of the microwave. Using tongs, transfer your perfectly cooked bacon to a fresh, clean plate lined with another sheet of paper towel. This helps drain any remaining grease. The best part, cleanup is incredibly easy. Simply gather up the grease-soaked paper towels from the cooking plate and discard them. No messy pans to scrub, just delicious bacon and a quick tidy up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.